Hello everyone, before we start I want to tell you that all of these tips come from technicians at this appliance repair shop, which is highly respected in the city, so don't worry, we're going to fix this. Reassuring. Recently, a customer came in looking worried and said, "My water heater shows E109 and no hot water comes out." Concerned. The first thing we do in the shop is check the water pressure and flow. Technicians explain that this code appears when the sensor detects insufficient flow, and the system shuts off the burner to protect the unit. That's why we inspect the inlet filters and valves. If any are partially closed or dirty, the flow decreases and the error appears. Additionally, several customers have mentioned noticing a drop in pressure before the error occurred, saying things like, "The water was coming out slower and suddenly E109 appeared." This tells us that problems in the pipes or accumulated sediment could be the cause. Shop technicians always recommend cleaning the filters and making sure the minimum required flow is present so the heater operates without issues. On the other hand, sometimes the cause is in the electronics. Dirty or worn flow or temperature sensors can generate a false E109. A shop technician explains, cleaning the contacts or replacing an old sensor usually fixes the problem and prevents the error from returning. The manufacturer has even issued bulletins explaining how to check sensors and when replacement is necessary, ensuring safe and uninterrupted operation. Finally, after checking the pressure, cleaning the filters, and inspecting the sensors, we perform a full system reset. Technicians confirm that this allows the heater to start normally and stop showing E109. As one customer said, "After the technician checked everything and reset the system, it worked perfectly again, proving that a careful, methodical procedure always delivers reliable results."